Lake City plant, townhomes manufacturing, and the reason being is that they had the water heater area closet closed and I could not get the key. It was not inside the house. Note that there is some, not damage, but some tape needs to be cleaned off. There is some issues here with some material here that needs to be cleaned. Overall, door noted slightly dented here. I've been told this is ship ready and have made my notes, and I am making the video, so for backup reference, all joints have been foamed, lights installed above, no plastic cover or screw. I cannot get up here to take pictures of this at this point. There is no ladder available. Documentation in place. Water heater trap installed, base installed. Again, everything's foamed. Let's see here. And the compartment has a metal light switch.